Title: Unlocking Financial Freedom, Mastering YouTube Monetization. Host: Hey there, YouTube enthusiasts. Are you looking for a way to achieve financial freedom while doing something you love? Well, today we're going to show you how to harness the power of YouTube monetization to unlock your financial goals. Let's get started. Host: YouTube has transformed from a simple video sharing platform into an incredible opportunity for creators to make money. By tapping into YouTube's monetization features, you can turn your passion into a lucrative business. Host: The first step to financial freedom through YouTube is building a strong subscriber base. Your subscribers are your community, your loyal audience, and they are the ones who will help you grow your channel's reach. Host: Offering valuable, entertaining, or informative content is key to gaining and retaining subscribers. Aim for quality over quantity, focusing on creating content that resonates with your target audience. Host: Consistency is key. Regularly uploading new videos keeps your subscribers engaged and alerts the YouTube algorithm, boosting the visibility of your content. Host: Now comes a crucial step: optimizing your videos for search. Conduct thorough keyword research to understand what people are searching for. Using those keywords in your video title, description, and tags will help improve your visibility on YouTube. Host: Want to accelerate your growth? Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. By cross-promoting each other's channels, you can tap into each other's subscriber base and attract new audiences. Host: So, you've built your subscriber base, you're creating fantastic content, and your videos are optimized. Now, let's talk about monetization options. YouTube offers several revenue streams, including ads, channel memberships, super chat, and merchandise shelf. Host: It's important to diversify your income streams to maximize earnings. Explore sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even your own courses or merchandise to increase your revenue potential. Host: The amazing thing about YouTube monetization is that it can generate passive income even while you sleep. Once you've built a successful channel, earning money becomes a consistent reality. Host: Thanks for watching. If you found this video valuable, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Join our community, so together, we can unlock the financial freedom you've been dreaming of. Until next time.